Hello friends and welcome to day 3 of the Let's Get Blitzing cocktail advent calendar. Today we are making a little winter warmer with whiskey. I love a good alliteration. What can I say? We are making the pumpkin pie toddy. Toddy. You have to say it like that with that voice. And you have to wear sort of a kind of Nordic alpine sweater to go with the winter warmer vibe. You have to sit by a fireplace to consume. I'm just kidding. You can drink this wherever you want to drink it, okay? Like legally, wherever it is legal to drink, you can drink it there. Probably in your own home, probably, or in someone else's home. Because I wouldn't recommend like bringing this to a restaurant. They might not love that. They might not love that move, okay? So let's just make it together, drink it in your home, in the snow, in your backyard, in your friend's house, at your parents' house. You know, those are sort of the guidelines that I would typically recommend. Anyway, super simple building glass cocktail. We are making the pumpkin pie toddy, as I said, and we'll be using Georgian Bay Whisky. So yes, the Ontario distiller that brought us our favorite gin smash, vodka smash, half smashes, smash sodas, the Georgian Bay vodka, the Georgian Bay gin, is now doing small batch craft whiskey distilling as well. Last I checked, the LCBO at King Edward and Rideau had 6 units in stock, so Run Don't Walk retails for $34.95, very affordable price point for a very tasty whiskey, yes. In terms of tasting notes, we've got some new barrel char, caramel, some baking spices, some rye. That's what I'm getting. Kind of medium bodied, long lasting finish. It is going to be absolutely delightful in this pumpkin pie, not pumpkin spice, pumpkin pie inspired winter warmer. In terms of other ingredients, you've got your nutmeg syrup. I left my nutmegs in here, which is going to be interesting. Lemon, Angostura, and of course hot water. Garnish with a cinnamon stick, should you so choose, and I would suggest that you should choose. 1.5 ounces, building in glass, as I mentioned. 1.5 ounces of our Georgian Bay Whisky into our heatproof mug. My lovely coworker purchased this for me after I mentioned like 2 years ago that I wanted an amber mug like this, like a coffee mug, not a teacup. And she searched high and low to find just exactly what I was looking for. So, teaspoon of pumpkin puree. Now, it is critical that once we have that hot water that we stir like nobody's business, because we don't want baby food mouthfeel. No, we want to make sure it's fully incorporated, easy to drink, delicious, not mealy. You don't want mealy, you don't want it. Not my first time shaking cocktails with pumpkin puree. 1/2 ounce of our nutmeg syrup. If you were around, I'm trying to avoid getting my nutmegs in here. If you were around when I did the Hello Gorgeous, yeah, there's pumpkin puree in that one too. Another whiskey cocktail as well. 2 dashes of Ango, 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm going to top it off with roughly 5 ounces of boiling water. This lemon is not very pliant, I'll say that. A little bit difficult, you know, but most things in life worth looking for, I guess. There we go, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Let us top it off with our boiling water. Water. Stir. Like you mean it, with intention. Lean in. Try not to splosh it all over your countertop. This is actually one of my favorite recipes from the entire calendar. You know, one of those gosh, I'm good moments when I tasted the first sip. I had my mom do quality assurance. She approves. The Truthster approves of this one. I'm just trying to make sure we don't have any bits and bobs. We're just drinking goodness. It's gonna be quite hot. It's gonna be a little warm. I'm gonna just tuck in a little cinnamon stick. If you can't find cinnamon sticks, which I found they can be hard to find at this time of year, I recommend going to a international grocer near you. I got these actually at a Mexican grocer on Maryville in town. I think it was called La Tiendita, but I can't be sure. Anyway, or maybe Bulk Barn, not sure. Some grocery stores don't have them right now, I noticed. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Basically, we're just building on the classic toddy format of whiskey, lemon, hot water, but we're adding a lot more flavor, a lot more complexity, bringing that pumpkin pie to life in a glass. Sometimes I astound myself. Let's see. Yeah. Yes. Yes! It's so good! Cheers! I hope you enjoy your pumpkin pie toddy. Make sure you pick up Toddy. Make sure you pick up your bottle of Georgian Bay Whisky at your local LCBO. Get it while the getting's good, my friends. Gosh dang it, I love that. So good. See you tomorrow for day 4 of the Let's Get Blitzing Cocktail Advent Calendar. We're doing a spirited sipper tomorrow, so stay tuned for that.